This here's another Volkswagen Scirocco Mark 1, and this time it's the pre-facelift. You can see that here the indicator glasses are just only at the front, so not going into the side. Chrome mirrors, also the door handle. Wonderful 190 SL. Here from Peter, the other Peter, it's his Auto Union 1000 Deluxe. Loving these big windows, really nice. It's from 1962, 2-stroke. Definitely a beautiful car, but of course also the 190 SL, beautiful roadster. Here are two Cinquecentos with a greeting to Agung Setiavan, because I'm knowing that he is loving these little Italian cars. This one here is for sale. I've also seen this car a couple of times already in this year. It's from the owner who also has the red one. Oh, also wonderful SLC. So it's the C107, it's on 450 SLC. Here we have a Renault 4 GL. Westfalia, high rooftop camper, Volkswagen T3. Totally loving these Renault 4. These were very simple cars. The big competitor against the Citroën 2CV. Oh, very nice. Porsche 924. Chevy Corvette. The crazy monster front. Wonderful SL. From the Bioberger Stammtisch, sending greetings. Here's the Trabant. Oh, and here's the wonderful S-Class. That's something what I'm seeing. This here is the successor of the Auto Union 1000. This here is the Audi F103. Was also built as F102 with a little bit different front, but the rear end was the same, because I'm knowing that this here is the pre-facelift. The car was still developed in the time from when Mercedes-Benz was owning it. They were allowed to use this design. Well, and then after Volkswagen did buy the company, then we've got this. Audi 60 means that this one has 60 horsepower. Unlike my Audi 80. So the Audi 80 that I own, it's just the model name, while here it was the horsepower. Beautiful. So here now the Mercedes-Benz 560 SEL. Also going to film, of course, the rear end. So here long wheelbase. Interesting body kit on this Stroke 8. The coupe. Oh, beautiful. I've also seen this one here already a few times, Citra 2CV. And here is a Mercedes-Benz 220. Beautiful car. GCV Eagle, and here's a T2. But here are loving these F-Series from Porsche. $911 this time. Beautiful. Another E-Class Datum. But the Mercedes station wagon, of course. Here's the coupe. It's the 124 series. This, by the way, here you can see this is the old W124, and this one was the big facelift. And it was also called E-Class, and when the E was in front of the model name. Ford V8. Beautiful two-tone. Oh, what a cool car. BMW 2002 Turbo. I'm knowing Mike has to collect some money because Maya wants one. Not sure if she wants even a 2002 Turbo. Mike, you can ask her. This here is most probably last generation of the Porsche 911 with the air cooling. Audi 90 Quattro. Here you don't hear the music, so I can talk again. So I don't know what I'm doing with the other part. Maybe I'm just using some audio where I was just only walking. Baby Benz. Opel Kadett C Aero from Bauer, Stuttgart. E30. But these are always interesting to see. It's the T-top and here the rooftop. Here's also, by the way, the 124 Spider.